We're starting from scratch. High-strength steel is laser-cut to form the very foundation of the 2027 GLB.
Next, a massive hydraulic press shapes the raw steel into the vehicle's rigid floor pan.
Precision robots take over, welding the underbody frame with absolute structural integrity.
The roof is laser welded seamlessly, completing the core shell of our Mercedes SUV.
The entire chassis is submerged in an advanced chemical bath for permanent rust protection. Inside a clean room, automated sprayers apply a flawless primer coat for paint adhesion.
The skeleton takes shape as the massive side panels are perfectly aligned and secured.
Doors and the front hood are attached, maintaining Mercedes' legendary millimeter-perfect panel gaps.
Simultaneously, the heart is built, a refined, turbocharged engine assembled with precision components.
The advanced multi-clutch transmission is mated to the engine, optimizing power delivery. The striking signature metallic paint is applied, bringing the exterior aesthetics to life.
Miles of fiber optic and electrical wiring are threaded through, forming the car's nervous system. The futuristic dashboard, featuring the new MBUX hyperscreen, is integrated into the cockpit. Acoustic dampening mats are installed inside the cabin to ensure a whisper-quiet ride.
The panoramic roof and acoustic windshield are robotically glued and sealed for safety.
Heavy-duty adaptive suspension and control arms are fitted to ensure unmatched ride comfort.
High-performance brake discs and calipers are installed for maximum stopping power. Welcome to the marriage. The painted body and the fully assembled drivetrain become one.
Underneath, the secure fuel system and the dual-pipe exhaust assembly are locked into place.
Step inside. Premium sound-absorbing carpets and luxury door liners are meticulously fitted. The intelligent steering wheel is mounted, connecting the driver directly to the machine. Vital fluids, high-grade engine oil, and advanced coolant are pumped into the systems.
The stylish alloy wheels are bolted on, and for the first time, the GLB stands on its own feet. Flawless inspection passed. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLB is officially alive and ready to rule the open road.